In this video, we'll take a look at the process of extending the siding beyond the top of a slab or beyond the top of the foundation wall. In this example plan that I have up, the wall on the left, the lighter colored wall, the siding has been extended beyond the top of the slab. I want to do the exact same process for the darker colored wall that's in the center of the screen. The process of extending the wall beyond the top of the slab is done inside of the wall definition. Let's begin the process by opening up the wall properties. I'm going to move over to the Wall Types panel. For this wall type, which is the siding seamed metal, I'm going to click the Define button. Inside of the wall definitions, I'm going to move over to the Layer Properties. This will allow me to then select all three of the exterior layers. You can either type in a value in the extension, you can also extend the layer down at the bottom for all three simultaneously by putting in a value. Notice that that same value has come up into each of the layers. You can individually type that in for those layers as well. Once I close the wall dialog, you can see that the wall has extended down below in the 3D view, and then also in the section view you can see that the wall exterior layers are now extended that 3-inch amount that we entered into the dialog.